All right, let's get into this fast and easy. So we have the Adidas 4D Run 1.0. 4D technology is Adidas' first kind of foray. It's actually been around for 3 years already, but it's their first foray into developing a 3D printed midsole / sole unit. And it's supposed to be the future of footwear because eventually you'd be able to go into a store, run on something, it would analyze your foot, and it would create the most precise and comfortable whatever based on the foot shape, how you strike the floor, how you ran, and scientifically putting that all together in a 3D printed way. None of that has happened in any way, shape, or form at all, but they have been releasing 4D technology for a while. I do have one other pair, which I paid way too much money for and I never wear. I put it over here somewhere. This is, I believe, I can't remember the name. I believe it's a ZX 4000, and it's super heavy. I don't think that's going to change with this iteration of 4D, but we'll see in a second. But one of the things that I do want to note that I just noticed, I pulled this out for the first time in a while. See the very top over there where the midsole is? You see how it's like yellowing right there? That means that whatever rubber it is starting to either crack or age or something. I'm not sure what the longevity of the shoe is going to be. Frankly, I didn't wear this too much because it's not that comfortable of a shoe. But we'll see if this actually lasts much longer. And does anyone else have a pair of the 4Ds? If you have they lasted a long time or have they kind of gone kerplunk? I've probably only worn this 10 to 15 times, and I think I paid $350 retail for these, which is way too expensive for a technology that is innovative, but honestly not that comfortable. But that's not why we're here today. Today we're here to see and unbox the Adidas Runner 1.0, and I assume it's going to have some type of numeric order in the years coming, but this is what the box looks like. You have a glossy Adidas 4D done in a black box. That's really all you see here. And it is a pullout. I've never seen, I haven't seen these yet, and so let's get into the unboxing. Bum, ba, da, bum. You guys are actually going to see it first before I will. Alright, so as you can see, it's just normal tissue paper. What is great about this pair, unlike those for $350, this is $200, which I believe is either $10 or $20 more than an Ultra Boost. So it's not crazily more expensive, which is great, but at the same time, it's not a cheap shoe by any means. And this is it. This is the Adidas 4D 1.0, Run 1.0. This is the limited edition version. Honestly, it's just another colorway. I'm not really sure why it's that limited. It's not a collaboration by any means, shape, or form, but it is iridescent, and there's that iridescent heel cap over here. Maybe it's just not, it's just structurally there. It might just be for a design element. I'll have to dig into the shoe. And but it's made out of plastic and it's iridescent. I do kind of like the iridescence. It's almost like a mother of pearl. And then the rest of the shoe is relatively muted. It's really white. I think that the printed fuse-like areas will probably be somewhat iridescent. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm smelling these. The ZX 4000 4Ds that I have over there actually still smell like plastic, and that's actually one of the main reasons I didn't wear those shoes very often. It's mainly because once I took my socks off, they would smell like plastic. And it seems that there's still a plasticky smell, but I have to work hard to smell it, and I don't think it's going to be that bad. It seems like it's going to go away. That's actually a really, really great news out of the box. Upper looks like it's made out of a prime knit. I actually don't know if it is prime knit, but it should be. You have a detached tongue. It looks somewhat like an Ultra Boost-ish type of upper, with just a little more minimalism without the cage. And the bottom has a really interesting track pattern. What I've noticed about the 4D technology, it's probably because it doesn't hold that well all on its own, or maybe it doesn't touch the floor well, but almost all of them have like pretty much full rubber on the bottom, and that's obviously going to add weight to the shoe. But in terms of weight, this is far and beyond better than the ZX 4000. So I'll see how these go. I'll definitely hop these on foot. Actually, to be honest, do you guys want a review of this? If you do, leave that in the comments below. Otherwise, I might just end up rocking this as a spring shoe without giving you guys a review. because I don't want to shove content down your throat if you don't want it. And that's it. This is the unboxing. If you have any questions about 4D Tech or anything like that, definitely leave them in the comments below. I kind of wish they had another set of laces. That would have been sick, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll get some minty green laces to go with this. But until next time, this is the Runner, or the 4D Run 1.0. Peace.